Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, and it is placed under the jurisdiction of the Holy See, which means it is governed by the Pope. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, measuring just 0.2 square miles, almost 120 times smaller than the island of Manhattan. Know some interesting facts about Vatican City. Number 1. No one is born in the country, but it has citizens. Technically, no births take place in the country as there are no hospitals here. However, citizenship is not based on birth in this country. In fact, it is granted to those who stay in the Vatican because of their office or work. Number 2. There's an ATM with instructions in Latin. Belonging to the Vatican Bank, this has to be the only ATM with Latin instructions in the world. Number 3. Famous for some of the world's most popular paintings and sculptures. The city is famous for some of the world's most popular paintings and sculptures that exist in cultural sites such as St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and Vatican Museums. Number 4. World's shortest railway. With a rail network of just 300 meters tracks, Vatican City boasts of having the world's shortest railway network. It has only one railway station, Città Vaticano. The railway is largely used for ferrying goods. Number 5. It is the only UNESCO World Heritage country. Italy has more UNESCO World Heritage sites than anywhere else in the world, but the Vatican is the only country to be entirely designated as a World Heritage Site. Number 6. St. Peter's Basilica is the world's second largest Christian church. It took 120 years to complete the church, and the dome of the church was designed by Michelangelo. It is 400 feet tall and 138 feet in diameter. Number 7. It has its own football team. The Vatican football team consists entirely of employees of the tiny country. Police officers, postal workers, and members of the Swiss Guard have all been known to wear the team colors of yellow, blue, and white. Number 8. Vatican City has one of the highest crime rates in the world. This is mainly because of the small population of the country. However, the crimes that happen in the city are of little importance, and thus many of them remain unsolved. Number 9. The Vatican Museum receives approximately 5.5 million travelers each year. This is a huge number considering the small size of the country. Number 10. The Pope's personal army has some 135 Swiss Guards. The army has been protecting the Pope for more than 500 years now.